Click on the link below to get price. The Sony ZV-E10 II mirrorless camera is a game changer for content creators, vloggers, and photography enthusiasts seeking versatility and performance in a compact design. This camera comes equipped with a 16 to 50mm lens, providing an excellent focal range for both wide-angle shots and close-ups, making it ideal for various shooting environments. One of the standout features of the ZV-E10 II is its impressive autofocus system. With fast and reliable eye-tracking technology, capturing sharp images and videos of moving subjects is a breeze. The camera's ability to maintain focus on the subject's eyes significantly enhances the quality of portraits and action shots. Additionally, the inclusion of a flip-out touchscreen is perfect for vlogging, allowing users to frame themselves effortlessly while ensuring they are in focus. The camera offers a variety of shooting modes and settings, making it suitable for both beginners and advanced users. The automatic settings are excellent for those who prefer a more hands-off approach, while manual controls provide the flexibility needed for more seasoned photographers. Moreover, the ZV-E10 II supports 4K video recording at up to 30 frames per second, delivering stunning video quality that is vital for today's content-driven landscape. Included with the camera is a 128GB Extreme speed memory card, which is a thoughtful addition considering the large file sizes associated with 4K video. This card ensures that users can shoot without the immediate worry of running out of space, allowing for longer recording sessions and extensive photo shoots. Overall, the Sony ZV-E10 II mirrorless camera with the 16 to 50mm lens and 128GB Extreme speed memory card is a remarkable package. It combines exceptional image quality, user-friendly features, and portability, making it an excellent choice for anyone looking to elevate their photography or videography game. Whether you are a beginner or a professional, this camera offers the tools and capabilities to capture stunning visuals, making it a worthy investment.